DJ Lime. We got special guests right here, Ava and Amaya. That's right. And today we're gonna do the watermelon challenge. And if you don't know what that is, stay tuned and watch this video because it's gonna be exciting. 3, 2, 1.
Time with the Lime.
We got watermelon number 1 with DJ Lime right here, and watermelon number 2 with these lovely young ladies. And look at all these rubber bands that we have. We have the larger size and the smaller size because we don't know which ones will fit first. We're already testing a couple, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody ready?
Yeah.
What we gotta do, we gotta put all these rubber bands on the watermelons until they implode, or I guess explode for that matter. Either way, it's gonna be awesome. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! And we're gonna speed this up for you so you don't have to wait and watch the whole thing. All right, so we're still going. Nothing's changed. We're still on the big rubber bands, but I anticipate we're probably gonna have more than 1,000 rubber bands on these things before we're done. Okay, so we took a quick break because that was taking a long time to put all these rubber bands on these watermelons. We don't know if it'll actually implode, but we're gonna try it one more time and keep going. Okay, so Papi Lime here, and we are back at it again. DJ Lime's not here today to finish this off with me, but I'm going to give it one last home stretch to see if I can get this thing to rupture with all of these rubber bands. It is currently 5:30 p.m. right here. We're going to see how long it takes to get some traction on this thing. Hopefully something happens. Okay, so I've been going at it for like a good 25 minutes and still barely no movement. So if in the next 20 to 30 minutes nothing happens, we're gonna hit it with this homemade piñata stick and see what happens, right? There, like this. And even then, this is the most indestructible watermelon, so I don't think anything will happen. Check it out. So there's the watermelon. You can see it's starting to deform a little bit, but like barely nothing. And this is like almost 2 hours of work of putting rubber bands on it, just concentrated in the middle. This was a brand new watermelon and it is holding. All right, so check it out. It's definitely getting some more progress, but if you notice right there, there's like a little bead of water, and then there's another one right there, and then there's some more on the side right there. That means that this watermelon is getting squished. So I was just about to give up, but now that's definitely some motivation. Let me show you guys what's happening. Right here, we have our tear. That means that we're getting close and this thing might just explode immediately. Just keep an eye on it because we don't want to miss it. We don't want to miss it. Oh. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. There it is. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! 3, 2, 1. still have a bunch of rubber bands to go. Oh my gosh. I did not think it was going to explode. Completely sliced. Now you can eat it like a bowl of cereal, but in this case it's a bowl of watermelon. What you think? Let us know in the comments below. But wait, I kind of wanted to know what it would be to just hit one with a piñata stick. And if you recall earlier in this video, we did have another one of these watermelons. Let's do it. Oh, before we do that, I'm gonna show you what happened to the rubber band. So it turned into a ball, like a football-shaped rubber band obstacle here. Okay, so we've seen what happens with rubber bands, but let's see now what happens with a homemade piñata stick right here on this watermelon. You saw we started, it squished a little bit, but not enough, but I'm not willing to go through that again because, man, my hands are super dry and cut up because of the rubber bands. So let's go ahead and give this one a hit. Make sure I'm clear here. The rotation. Yes. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Watermelon. Who wants some watermelon? Look at this other half right here. It still has the rubber bands on it. Pretty cool. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video. You saw me rip open a watermelon with probably more than 1,000 rubber bands and even hit it with the piñata stick. And you even saw it in super slow-mo. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part of this video, and if you want to see some more crazy experiments like this one, or challenges rather. I want to thank you for watching and make sure you're here next week for our next video. Other than that, I'm Papi Lime, and this is... Oh yeah, DJ Lime's not here right now. Okay, well, it's just me, Papi Lime, and I will see you next time. Whoop. 20 to 30 minutes, nothing happens. Hey, you made it this far. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload our next video. Goodbye.